So today I'm going to explain how to use Matlab on mobile, and specific I'm going to explain how to solve matrix. And first at all, what we need to do is to perform our matrix or write our matrix. So first we need to write the letter so we can distinguish what matrix is for another. So this one will be A. And next we need to put equal. Then we need to put brackets, and here we need to write our numbers that we want or that we want to determine. So in this case will be 7, 3, and 9. So here for let know that we want to do another line, we need to put the dot and comma so Matlab can distinguish that we are doing the next line. So here we need to do the same to write our numbers. It will be 5, 1, and 8. And same, we need to put the dot and comma and write our numbers again. So here will be 5, 2, and 6. And then we need to do enter so it can give us the matrix in order. So here we have the first matrix. Next we need to do the second one, and it will be exactly the same, with another letter and other numbers. So here will be V equal again inside brackets or numbers that in this case will be -7, 4, and -2, and -2. And here we need to put again our dots and comma so we can do the next line. And here the next number will be 5, then will be -1, and then it will be 4. And again, we need to put the dot and comma and put our numbers 8, 5, and 2. And then we need to put enter. And here we have our matrix. So now we want to do an adding of matrix, and it's super easy. What basically we need to write is the letter that it would be A. And then we need to put the symbol plus. In this case will be B, and we need to do enter, and will give us the result. Now another thing that we can do is subtracting, that it is exactly the same, and this case will be B less A, and will give us the result, and it will be the same if we write A less B. It will give us the result, but in different signs. Also, we can do a multiplication of matrix, but here we can do another matrix, but it is not necessary, but we can do it. So we can write the letter C, equal brackets, and write our numbers. That will be 6, 3, 1, dot and comma, 5, 9, 1, dot and comma, 4, 7, and 3. And here we have our next matrix. So now we have A, B, and C that are our 3 matrix. So now to do the multiplication is really easy. Same, we need to write the letter of our matrix that will be C, the symbol that is the same like times, A, enter, and will give us the result. Also here in the matrix something that are very important are the determinants, and for that what can we determine it will be to write that parentheses and the letter of our matrix, that in this case I will select the matrix B, and we give it enter, and will give us our result. It will be the same if we write with another letter, that will be then A, and will give us the result. Also, we can determine the inverse of a matrix. That is easy to determine it. So we need to write inv parentheses and the letter of our matrix, that it will be B, and we need to do the enter, and will give us the inverse of our matrix. It will be the same, exactly the same, with another letter of matrix, that in this case will be A. And that's it. That are the points most important to how to determine adding, how to have a subtraction, a multiplication, how to determine the determinant and the inverse, and it will give us our results. It is really easy and useful to get more easy and fast the solution for a matrix. And I think you hope you like this tutorial, and see